Understanding the phrase, momentum, in English. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a very interesting topic to discuss, the phrase, momentum. This is a word that you might have heard in various contexts, and it carries a meaningful weight in both physical and metaphorical senses. So, whether you are a student, a professional, or just someone looking to improve their English, you are in the right place. Let's dive in and understand what momentum really means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Momentum originally comes from the field of physics, where it refers to the quantity of motion that an object has. In simpler terms, if something has momentum, it is moving and it's hard to stop. For example, a train moving at high speed has a lot of momentum. However, in everyday English, we use momentum in a more metaphorical sense. It describes a situation where an activity, idea, or process is developing, growing, or becoming more intense, and it's hard to stop. For example, if a project gains momentum, it means that the project is progressing well and picking up speed. Now that we understand what momentum means, let's look at how to use it in sentences. 1. Positive momentum. The new product launch created so much excitement that the company gained tremendous momentum in the market. 2. Negative momentum. After a series of bad reviews, the film lost momentum at the box office. 3. Building momentum. As the election day approached, the candidate's campaign really started to build momentum. 4. Maintaining momentum. Once you start achieving your goals, it's important to maintain momentum to ensure ongoing success. While using momentum, it's important to use it in the correct context. Here are some common mistakes and tips. Incorrect. I have a lot of momentum to finish my homework. Momentum is not a personal energy or motivation. Correct. Once I started working on my essay, I gained momentum and finished it quickly. Tip. Think of momentum as a force or energy outside of yourself that helps push a process or activity forward. And there you have it. A complete guide to understanding and using the phrase, momentum, in English. Remember, momentum can be positive or negative, and it's all about the development and intensity of a situation. We hope this video has been helpful and has added some valuable knowledge to your English learning journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next video, and keep the learning momentum going.